Can you talk about something?
No. I cannot. God,
Well,
get away.
talk about Miley Cyrus or
Oh
something.
my gosh, swinging on that record ball.
You hit the.
Swinging on that record ball. With my heart. Okay, this is dumb. Get away. Do you think that this is funny or something?
Yeah.
This is real life, okay?
What do you? Tumblr.
Excuse me.
Ow. Tumblr.
Hey, ow.
Tumblr. Status. How do I do this?
Dylan, you're so dumb.
Mm.
Okay, you are the worst at, like, everything right now. It's like, stop.
I'm eating.
What are you eating?
You.
Are you eating me out?
There's hot sauce in there. I can't.
You're so gross. Hey guys.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Nobody cares. It's so pretty. Stop.
Yeah. Ew, what a moose
Wait.
knuckle.
Moose knuckle?
Camel toe. What are you doing?
Dylan,
Oh.
go away. Come on, check out my video at Anthony Holla. Check out mine.
Your channel,
Check
stupid.
out my channel.
We close. Can you talk about something else?
Okay, so, I was going to get my new weave last week, Liquid and Jalquavia.
Ew.
And, Jakuka was like, we need to get her in. And I was like,
Talk about something serious.
make that body bounce. I want my bug so tight, I'm gonna do this so hot, and then make that body bounce.
What song is that?
Make that body bounce. Make that body bounce. Get away. You know my feet stink. Cause ew, girl, you stink.
It smells like your weave.
Smell like your butt.
Okay. I actually stopped it though.